sixes are on purpose.
Looking like a 6?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are.
You think so?
Yeah. I don't know why they're just randomly in there.
No.
It popped at the second. Can you watch cycling things while it's going?
In a minute. No. Yeah.
Actually, now it might be. As fast as it's coming. Maybe.
I would say yes.
Because everything's so fast. And now maybe an encore.
No.